Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Come on now. My name's Jesse Jones. I'm with King 5 News, and I'm honored to be the MC for the 11th annual Breakfast of Hope. I've done this 3 times. That means you had about a 25% chance of getting a crappy MC. This is going to be a very good program, and I have to tell you, one of my favorite chefs is here. His name is Mark Bittman. He's from the New York Times and the Cooking Channel. Give him a hand now. He's got lots to share with us about, in his words, you eat more plants, you eat less other stuff, and you live longer. You're also going to learn more about nutrition and its impact on living a long and healthy life with kidney disease or without, from Joyce Jackson, Northwest Kidney Center's president and CEO, and in a video from their chief dietitian and manager of fitness nutrition programs, Katie Wilkins. The video will also introduce you, there you go. The video will also introduce you to one of the 1,500 patients at Northwest Kidney Centers who will tell you about her experience on dialysis and then with a kidney transplant, and how the comprehensive kidney care she received at Northwest Kidney Centers is allowing her to live a full and healthy life with her family. But the biggest stars of the morning, there are 2 big stars here. You and your wallet. And we want to get to both today. You're here to make a real difference in the lives of people who are living with kidney disease, as well as helping Northwest Kidney Centers prevent kidney disease tomorrow. Now, if you guys are really not listening to me and you're on Twitter, which my kids do, the hashtag for today's event is hashtag BOH2013. That's hashtag BOH2013, so you can tweet your peeps. So while you're all stars this morning, we do have a few special guests we would like to introduce to you. They are elected officials who dedicate themselves to public service. Northwest Kidney Centers is grateful that they have taken time to be with us and support the center's all-important work. Please hold your applause until I've introduced them all. Washington State Senator David Fraucht, Tommy Bauer from the office of Senator Maria Cantwell, Jordan Smith from the office of Senator Patty Murray, David Loud from the office of U.S. Congressman Jim McDermott, Deborah Entenmann from the office of U.S. Congressman David Smith, Meadow Johnson from the office of U.S. Congressman Derek Kilmer, and Julian Lowe from the office of U.S. Congresswoman Susan DelBene. I also want to take a moment to recognize the citizen leaders and staff of Northwest Kidney Centers as a nonprofit organization owned by our community. The organization is guided by a dedicated board of trustees and foundation board, and every single patient over the past 50 years and today can sing the praises of the center's dedicated team of physicians, nurses, pharmacists, social workers, technicians, and other staff members. Will all the members of the Board of Trustees, the Foundation Board, and the staff of Northwest Kidney Centers please stand and be recognized. Also, thanks to today's generous breakfast sponsors, 100% of your donation will go directly to supporting Northwest Kidney Center's nutrition services, as well as charity care for those who cannot afford the expert care that Northwest Kidney Centers provides. I'd like to thank our 2013 event sponsors now, and again, hold your applause till I've announced them all. Aldrich and Associates, and now we got some old friends here. Davis Wright Tremaine, the King 5 lawyers. I talk to you guys a lot. And UW Medicine, where I spend way too much time with some very, very talented and good medical providers. Premier sponsors are NAI Puget Sound Properties and Virginia Mason Medical Center. This year's Platinum event sponsors are Amgen, First Choice Health, the Kidney Research Institute, Sabi Corporation, Swedish Medical Center, and Wells Fargo Insurance Services. Please join me in a round of applause for these great sponsors. Just remember, if they give here, you should consider sending some business their way. As you may have noticed, we're also taking photos here. Northwest Kidney Centers will be posting them online soon, so you got to check them out on the website at nwkidney.org. That's nwkidney.org. And now I want you to introduce you to one of my favorite people, and that's Joyce Jackson, who leads the Northwest Kidney Centers as its president and CEO. Joyce came to the organization in 1998, and for the past 15 years, she has guided its growth and its impact as one of the nation's foremost nonprofit dialysis and kidney care organizations. In her role here at home, as well as through her national service on boards and with other partner organizations, Joyce is recognized across the United States as a leader in advancing the highest quality of care for people living with kidney disease. I'd like to welcome Ms. Joyce Jackson.